Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. First of all, congratulations to all for your promotions and wonderful results. I'm your English teacher. My name is Tayyiba and I am from PMS Boys 5. Now, my dear students, I know you do not have your books with you because they are not available in the market. You have your copies, so you will open your copy of English. But before opening your copy, you will fill this tag by writing your name, your class and section on it, and subject English. Then you will open your copy and you have to leave 2 pages. You will leave 2 pages. After leaving 2 pages, you will draw a margin line and write date. Like this, you have to write date, draw margin line, and you will write writing pattern A to Z. Make sure your pencils must be sharpened well. आपकी पेंसिल बहुत अच्छी सी शार्प होनी चाहिए, तभी आपकी राइटिंग बहुत नीट आएगी. You have to double underline both the headings and you have to draw 3 lines like this on equal gaps. आपने 3 lines लगानी है equal gaps पे. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पर हैंड राइटिंग पैटर्न लिखेंगे, A to Z हैंड राइटिंग पैटर्न. Like this you have to write hand writing pattern. You will erase these lines which are extra and you will draw an ending line here. You must have to follow the pattern as I have written. You must follow the formation. जिस formation में, जिस pattern में मैंने लिखा है, बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपने लिखना है. जो formation W, M, N, Q specially in words की है, आपने इसी को follow करना है. I don't want any white W's and any white M's in your copies. Your copies must be very neat and tidy and presentable. Now come to next page. On next page you have to draw margin line and write date. Then you have to give heading of sky letters. You will draw these lines. Again you have to give heading of grass letters. You have to draw these lines and write letters in it with the same formation as I have written. On the 3rd page you will write heading of root letters and you will write root letters in it. You all very well know that what are sky letters, what are grass letters, and what are root letters. Sky letters are those letters which touch the upper red line. Those letters which touch the upper red line are called sky letters. Those letters which are written in the center 2 lines, in the middle 2 lines, are called grass letters. And those letters which touch lower red line are called root letters. You have to do this work in your neat copies and you have to write it very much neatly. I am again saying that you have to write your work very much neatly. You have to double underline all the headings and then you have to draw an ending line here. You will not draw an ending line here, not draw an ending line here, because our work is not finished yet. Here our work is finished, so you will draw an ending line. Like this you can see I have drawn an ending line because my work is finished. Now we will come to our topic which I am going to discuss with you today. Our topic is phonics. Whether you have heard it or not before, what are phonics? Phonics are the sounds through which we can read or say a word. Like sound of a word, like through which we can pronounce a word is called phonics. Like the sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. P, P and L. Apple. These sounds combine to make one word apple. This B makes the sounds B. A makes the sounds A. And T makes the sounds T. B, A, T, bat. Same is the case. F, E, sh, fish. J, A, M, jam. A, N, G, R, E, angry. These are the ways to pronounce a word or to say a word with phonics. Now what is pronunciation? Pronunciation is the way to say a word. हम जिस तरह एक वर्ड को बोलते हैं, जिस तरह एक लफ्ज़ को अदा करते हैं, उसको pronunciation बोला जाता है. After pronunciation and phonics, we will come to silent letters. Now what are silent letters? Silent mean खामोश. The one who cannot say anything, who do not say anything, who remains silent, जो खामोश रहता है उसको हम silent बोलते हैं, जो कुछ नहीं बोलता. Like in class, if you are talking a lot, your teacher says silence, कि सब खामोश हो जाएं. So silence mean खामोश, silent mean खामोश. Silent letters, those letters which do not say anything or which do not produce a sound. Look at this. Who is he? He is a detective. Who is detective? Detective वो होता है जो चीज़ों को ढूंढता है, जो clues ढूंढता है. ये एक ऐसा detective है who is looking for some silent letters. ये कुछ silent letters को ढूंढ रहा है. Now we will see if he can find some letters or not. Silent letters. Sometimes letters are in the words, we see them but we don't pronounce them. Sometimes mean कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, letters are in the word, letters उन words में ही होते हैं. Letters means A, B, C, D, these alphabets are called letters. वो letters उन words में मौजूद होते हैं but we see them, हम उनको देख सकते हैं, but we don't pronounce them, लेकिन हम उनको pronounce नहीं करते. प्रोनाउंस मीन अदायगी. जब हम किसी लेटर का साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और एक वर्ड बनाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोनाउंसिएशन. जब हम किसी वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते बट वो मौजूद होता है जब हम किसी लेटर को प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते और वो मौजूद होता है वर्ड में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ साइलेंट लेटर. लाइक आई हैव रिटन सम वर्ड्स ऑफ साइलेंट के. साइलेंट के मीन्स in this word KNEE, knee means घुटना. In this word K is written on the very first place, but we do not pronounce K. We will pronounce it as knee. We will not pronounce K, so K is silent in this word. Second word is knock. We will not pronounce K. Third word is no. No means जानना. Like you know something, अगर हम कोई बात जानते हैं, like you say I know it very well, you don't tell me please. Next is knife. We will not pronounce K, we will just pronounce NIFE, knife. Like K is written in all of these words but we will not pronounce K. हम K का sound produce नहीं करेंगे because K is silent in these letters. Next is silent W. When W comes with R, it is silent. Like wrong. We are not going to pronounce W, we will pronounce R. Wrong. Right. Right means लिखना, like I have written these things. This is called writing. Right. Next is wrist. Wrist mean कलाई. This is wrist, जहाँ पे आप घड़ी लगाते हैं. This is called wrist. When W comes with R and K comes with N, they will not be pronounced. K N के साथ pronounce नहीं किया जाता and W R के साथ pronounce नहीं किया जाता. They are silent in these cases. Here are also some words of silent B. Silent B, lamb, thumb, comb, bomb. We will not pronounce B in all of these words. When B comes with M, like before B it is M, we will not pronounce B after M. We will just stop pronunciation till M. Lamb. Lamb means this is the lamb. Thumb, comb, bomb. B is silent in all of these words. Now silent K. Sorry, it is silent L. Half. We will not pronounce L in it. Half. Calf. Walk. See, we are not pronouncing L because L is silent. Half, calf, walk. Here are some words of silent T. whistle, listen, watch, which. In these words, ch is being pronounced. In these words, rest of the words are pronounced in the letter. Rest of the letters are pronounced in the word. So we are not pronouncing T in all these words. Next is silent H. Ghost, school, honest, what and when. These are words in which we are not pronouncing H. Ghost, ghost, school, honest, what, when. These are the words of silent H. Now you have to open your copies again and you have to ready a new page. You have to write date, draw margin line. After writing date and drawing margin line, you will write here topic neatly, silent letters. Write 3 words using a silent letter in each word. आपने 3 words लिखने हैं ऐसे जिसमें एक silent letter मौजूद हो. Like you can write any 3 words which I have explained to you. Here are many words of silent B, silent L, silent T and silent H. You can write any of 3 words by choosing from these words. This is your homework and you have to write it neatly in your copies. I will meet you inshallah in next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.